So our given information is ABE, which is right here on the left, is 8x minus 4. If you've done it already, go ahead and compare yours to mine. If you haven't, write with me. And then CBD is 5x plus 11. What are these two angles called, if you remember? What were they? They are congruent, and specifically, they are vertical angles. Very good. So vertical angles are congruent to each other. Because they are congruent, do I add them or do I equate them? Equate them. So I have 8x minus 4 is equal to 5x plus 11. And when I do my algebra 1, hopefully your answer should be x equals 5. Now, x being 5 is not the final answer. It says to find ABE. So ABE is right here. And then it says find CBA, which is right here. So the first thing that we should do is use 5 in where? Plug it in. So we have 8 times 5 minus 4. And that should give us how many? 36. So we know the measurement of angle ABE is 36. So that's the first part. So that's good. The second part says, well, I know nothing about that part, but we do know. What was the specific word for this? Supplement. What's it even more specific? Linear pair. And linear pair tells me 36 plus some unknown must be 180. So we know the measure of angle CBA must be 144 because together it must equal 180. Good morning. Don't be late. Just give me a nod. Don't be late. Yes, ma'am.
For those who write like the degree sign here for the answer.
Oh, yeah, degree would be even better. Okay. All right. Now let's go on to number 3. On number 3, what does that little box on the notation right here representing? Right angle. So if it's a right angle, I could set 9x divided by 5 is equal to what? 90. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply by 5. So we get 9x is equal to 450. And then we're going to divide it by 9. So x equals how many? 50. And it says to find x. So we're good to go. Yes, sir?
Could you also divide by 9 first?
You could divide it by 9 first and then multiply by 5. Correct. Thank you. All right. And then the last part is number 9, part A. If I can get to it. Okay, number 9, part A. Okay, Aiden, let's read number 9A for me.
Angle AGE equals 5x plus 3, and angle AGE equals 7x minus 9. Find angle BGB.
All right, because the figure is kind of complex, I would minimize that and only draw the ones that I need. So I need AGB, which is right here. And then we need DGE, which is right here. So my main focus will be these two lines. So I'm going to redraw this off to the side. So here I have these two segments. And the names of the points are B, G, A. Then I have D, G, E. So we have the given expressions. AGB is 5x plus 3. And then DGE is 7x minus 9. Should I add them and equal to some number, or should I go ahead and equate them to each other? Equate them. So we have 5x plus 3 is equal to 7x minus 9. And once we do our algebra 1, what should our x get to? 6. Now, it doesn't always say to find the x. It says to find angle BGD. And BGD is right here. So could I plug in the equation or the x equals 6 into this one and subtract it from 180? Since we have a linear pair again. So when I plug it in, I have 5 times 6 plus 3. How many is that? 33. So if this angle is 33 degrees, how many should the supplement be? 147. And that would be our final answer.